Hi everybody, this is Tariq from the custom programming team at Daftra where we can customize the system to your needs. This is actually a custom request that was meant to handle new feature, and actually I'm here to introduce this new feature to you. The new feature is all about daily installments. We have a complete module actually in Daftara here that handles everything about installments, but it lacks to one more option that would be a good fit for a lot of business models out there. This one would be the daily, day-to-day cash collecting from customers. So I'm gonna walk you through an example and see how this works in Daftara right now. If you go to المبيعات where the sales, this is the sales management, the module that you can manage all the sales invoices through. If you go to one of these, invoices, you're gonna see the details of the invoice, and then if you go to installment agreement, you would see this screen. You have a lot of options here, but we're gonna talk about this معدل السداد, which is the installment basis. So we have all the options unless this without except this one, sorry, except this one, and this is the new feature. If we go with daily, you would see there's two different new um, fields have been added to the screen where you can actually do some calculations and add some amounts here. So with the مبلغ القسط اليومي, which is the daily installment to collect, if you go with the 100, you would see that would calculate your daily sorry your weekly collecting basis. So you're gonna collect every week 700 for 9 weeks, and this is how many days you're gonna collect from your customer. So if you go with the other side, like vice versa, if we'd like to set up the weekly amount, if we go with maybe like 2000 maybe, so this will be like 3 weeks and 21 days. And this is the amount of the daily amount that you're gonna collect every day from the customer. So we're gonna go with this and save. Here we go. We're gonna see this is a new widget that was added to the system here on the agreement, the installment agreement, where you can see that you have 286 pounds, or maybe your currency, to collect every day from the customers. How many you actually collected? 0 over 21. All the collected money is 0 for now. You have 3 weeks. You have here an indicator to give you which week you are in actually, and you have here an indicator to give you how much percentage you've been collecting from the customer so far in this week. So we have here some other options. We have here another report. So if we go, actually this green widget lets you know that actually we've been set up like in a daily basis. You still want or still need to create your installments. So by one click here, you will see that Gary إنشاء الأوسط اليومية, which is this. We're creating the daily basis installments in your system. Here we go. That's it. If we refresh, now you see the same screen, but here you see the all the installments for each week. So if I go to this link, this is the 7 days of the first installment on a weekly basis. And if I go just to this one, because actually this is the indicator, this is the current week, this is the current day of the week. So here we go. Today is 1 February 2024. If you go and do the printing, that would change the status for the installment from unpaid to paid. If if we go like this, here we go. And you would like to, if you would like to print a receipt or something to prove by documents that you've collected from the customer that are also available. Now it's actually paid. So if we go here and update and refresh the page, it's updated. And if we go here and refresh the page, you would see that you've collected one installment over 21, and you collected only this amount from the first installment, the daily installment. Now you have the progress, the progress bar, and you have the percentage of collecting. If you go to the report, you would see all the information about the customer and the invoice and even the salesman who's assigned to the customer, because actually those people who were working on this kind of basis would like to, I think many of them would assign salespersons to clients, not invoices. um, and here the date of the installment, how much you gonna collect, and this is the total amount, how many collected, and the total amount of the invoice, how many collected from the installments. That's it, I think, and this is the new feature, and you can ask about it if you'd like in the from the implementation team. Contact us anytime. That's for today. Thank you so much for having time to listen and watch this, and voila, bye bye.